So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the immediate short term, where the price for the coming days might be possibly heading. So before I start talking about it, I want you to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who are still unaware about this 200 USDT position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around free 200 futures position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position, Ethereum USDT position, or Solana USDT position. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now, looking at this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern, you can see the price of Bitcoin has not just only broken above this point 2, which in this example is going to give us a buying opportunity, but we came back to retest it, and exactly after retesting the previous temporary raise line, you can see the price started showing impulsive move. So if this here was a retest, price coming back to test the previous temporary raise line, right, then you can see it might be up only from here on. I mean, price following this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern with price objective around 76,000 range. Yes, guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin, as long as it remains over 69,500, to continue with this uptrend. Why? Because it's not just only the 1, 2, 3 reversal, but also this inverse head and shoulder. After breaking the neckline, after breaking the resistance from this inverse head and shoulder, you can see the price has started to show this impulsive move. And if you look at this example on the right hand side, even in this example, you can see after breaking out from this neckline, price came back to retest it and then started this impulsive move, but with more sideways movement. I mean, slowly but surely. And this might be another similar move as well. I mean, price showing more sideways movement and slowly getting attracted around this price opportunity, because this 76,000 is also the price opportunity from our descending broadening wedge. Another bullish continuation pattern here in a 4-hour time frame. So we have broken this previous temporary raise line, right? This line rejected us a couple of times, but right now, if you look at it, we are clearly above it. So what does this mean? This might be just a temporary retracement. And if you look at this Fibonacci extension line, you can see, guys, the 100% Fibonacci line sits around 78,000 in between that range, but we are just asking price to show a move around this 0.618 Fibonacci extension line, which will be around 76,000. So that is another reason why, even if the price fails to get attracted towards this 100% Fibonacci extension line, or let's say even the target from this monthly CPR line, because 78,000 is the price objective from this leading indicator as well. Add two lines, it's exactly around 77,800. So that's why if we are going to see this move, yes, we are happy, but we are also happy if we can simply test the resistance or the price objective from this descending broadening wedge, which is around 76,000. Price objective from this inverse head and shoulder, 76,000, and even this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Price of Bitcoin remaining above 69,500 could result in furthermore impulsive move, because remaining above that range means we are also above this monthly R1 line, because finding support of that trend line means we might be slowly getting attracted towards the next price objective for this month of March, which sits around 77,800. And now, beside those examples, even according to this channel breakout formation, we talked about this move. I showed you on my previous video, we might be somewhere around this area. We could see more sideways movement, right? Price consolidating for a few days before heading here to the upside. And if we look at it right now, the price of Bitcoin is doing pretty much like how we are expecting, more sideways movement, and also looks like it could be slowly heading here to the upside. So according to this channel breakout, bigger channel breakout, smaller channel breakout, you can see the price of Bitcoin has already retested the previous temporary resistance line. I mean, if you simply look at this trend line, you can see this here This horizontal trend line acted as a resistance. This is exactly where we came. This is exactly where we found support. So according to this retest, you can see if we manage to remain above 69,500, this will be looked as a continuation pattern. So please guys, do not get confused. Even if the price starts showing more shakeout, but again comes above 69,500, let this be as a consolidation phase. Price could be consolidating, right, regaining some strength before breaking it to the upside, because we know even in a smaller time frame the price was forming a bullish continuation pattern known as double bottom. I showed you on my previous video. We have broken above this neckline, and now this has been a perfect retest. So if we are going to remain above this horizontal trend line, if we are going to remain above this 69,500, then it will be looked as a continuation pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. And this here was just a retest, right? Price coming back to test the previous temporary raise line before turning bullish. So doesn't matter whichever time frame you look at it, the price of Bitcoin looks bullish, guys. Even though, right, many might disagree with me because price of Bitcoin has been in uptrend since couple of months, but I strongly believe we still have few more rooms left here to the upside. So that's why any sort of a pullback for the coming days, right, will give us a buying opportunity. And simply using this rising trend line, you can see, guys, this rising trend line right now is considered as a line of support, right? You can see each and every time price tested around this area, what happened after that? We had a very nice bounce, right? Price bounce of it perfectly also formed a new high. So since this was a double retest, right? So if this here is going to be a continuation pattern, we are expecting price of Bitcoin to move higher than the previous one. That's why the 76,000 price opportunity from the descending broadening wedge, price opportunity from this inverse head and shoulder 1 2 3 reversal pattern lines up perfectly. So that's why remaining above 69,500 for the coming days will result in furthermore continuation here to the upside, because we know any sort of a pullback in a daily time frame, even in the worst case scenarios, you can see our indicator like CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support, because we have found out during uptrend this trend lines has always been looked as a strong line of support. So that is another reason any sort of a shakeout, any sort of a weakness could be short-lived. So please do not get left out. And even if we look at this RSI line, you can see RSI line has started jumping above 50, which is a very good sign. T3CCI has already started to appear in a positive territory, and even this bearish MACD might be turning bullish very, very soon. So once we see confirmation from this MACD, that might be another sign that we are prepared for a new impulsive move. So doesn't matter whichever scenario you look at it, as long as the price in the medium short term for the coming days remains above 69,500, it will be looked as a continuation pattern. So please guys, please use proper risk management, even though market might not be that volatile right now. But as we go further, I'm actually expecting more volatility to enter the market. So I want you guys to be prepared. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also guys, to those individuals who have not claimed this 200 USDT free position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around free 200 USDT futures position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position airdrop, Ethereum USDT position airdrop, or Solana USDT position airdrop. And along with that, to those individuals who want to follow my journey, please check my Instagram account. This is my only official Instagram account, Anup Tungana. Scammers are impersonating me, but please be careful. I will never ask you for money. I will never DM you first. So for confirmation, always check the video description. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.